Hey friends, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to reveal 5 things you can say to make a woman truly fall for you. A lot of guys ask me what they should say to make a woman fall in love with them. Well, let me warn you up front. Some of these tips might sound unusual or even counterintuitive. But don't worry, there's a very specific psychology behind each one, and I'll break it all down for you in just a moment. If that sounds interesting, make sure to stick around until the very end of this video. As you probably know by now, the free content I share here is better than what many so-called gurus charge for online. All I ask in return is a simple like. It's incredibly important. You see, YouTube isn't showing my videos to more people because some of you aren't sharing, liking, or even leaving comments. I really need your support. Not only does it motivate me to continue creating high-quality content, but it also tells the algorithm that this video is valuable so it can reach more people who need this advice. Can I count on your, like? And if you're not receiving my videos as soon as they drop, it's probably because you haven't subscribed yet or activated notifications. So take a moment to do that now and let's dive right in. Over the years, I've noticed that when a man has strong feelings for a woman, he often says things that turn her off instead of making her more attracted. For example, when a guy likes a woman, he usually feels the urge to overwhelm her with compliments. I totally get it. I've been there myself. But when it comes to complimenting a woman, there are 2 key rules. First, she needs to feel like she's earning the compliment. Let me explain. Instead of showering her with praise every time you meet, which can lose its impact and even become annoying, you should let her feel like you're gradually noticing the little things that make her special. It should seem like she's winning you over day by day. Second, your compliments should focus on something unique about her personality, not just her looks. Think about it. If a woman has gorgeous eyes, how many guys do you think have already told her that? Do you want to be just another guy in that lineup, or do you want to stand out by showing her that you truly see the person she is? Here's a powerful technique I call the golden mirror. One way to use this is by tying your compliment to one of her dreams. For instance, if she wants to become a psychiatrist, you could say, "You're so easy to talk to." I can totally see you being the kind of person people would want to open up to. Honestly, I feel like I've already told you things I don't share with anyone. Then to lighten the mood, you could playfully add, "Too bad you're such a goofball." This approach validates something important about her while also sending a key message. You're the one doing the selecting. Most guys act like they'll take whatever they can get. But when you subtly show her that she's the one trying to impress you, it flips the dynamic. She'll feel drawn to you and work harder to win you over, which deepens her emotional investment. Before we move on, let me ask you this. Have you ever imagined sending just one text that could make a woman think about you nonstop, no matter her current situation? These magnetic messages trigger an obsession, leaving her excited and eager to see you. If that's something you'd like to try, click the first link below to learn more. Now back to the tips. Women are what I like to call meaning makers. They're always searching for the deeper meaning behind your words and actions. For example, if you show up to a date with flowers and fancy reservations, she might think, "Wow, he's already so serious about me. Maybe he doesn't date women like me very often." That's why you need to be aware of what meaning she's attaching to your behavior, even if you're not fully conscious of it. Interestingly, the more a woman has to decode your intentions, the more invested she becomes. I always tell my clients, if a woman figures you out too quickly, the game is over. Women crave a mental challenge. They don't want a predictable guy. This is why creating a little ambiguity in your words and actions keeps her engaged. Sending mixed signals, like showing interest and then playfully pulling back, keeps her guessing and thinking about you. There's also a subtle technique I teach involving hand-holding that can spark curiosity and excitement. But be warned, overusing these methods can reduce their effectiveness. Timing is everything, and using these strategies in the right order makes them far more impactful. One final tip, use her name multiple times in conversation while making eye contact. This small gesture creates intimacy and makes her feel like there's a deeper connection between you two, and here's a fun bonus technique, future projection. After taking a photo with her, say something like, "Wow, we'd make adorable babies," and then quickly change the topic. This plants the idea of a future with you in her mind without being too direct. Remember, never tell a woman what you think she wants to hear. Many guys reveal their feelings too soon, thinking it will strengthen the bond. But expressing your emotions prematurely kills the mystery and mental challenge that women love. Let her chase you instead. The key is to guide her through the process of falling for you, making her believe it was entirely her idea. Women love to feel like they're the ones making the choice. When you understand the psychology of love and attraction, you can build a deeper connection that lasts. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you'd like more advice, become a channel member for exclusive content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's grow this community together. Until next time, stay confident and keep a positive attitude.